Good morning, my name is Dr. Aleksandra Morel, and today we're meeting here because I have to remove a screw from an MIS implant that is stripped. We do know that it's an internal hex implant. We do not quite know exactly what implant it is, but it does not matter because we know what kind of screw is inside. This is a screw extractor tool that has reverse threads by MIS. Comes in that box. So if you could see the threads right there. Yeah, so it's a little bit different than your regular screwdriver. This versus that. Yeah. All right, so this is what I'm going to use. Okay. This is our beautiful patient, RPNA. She is very kind. I'm supposed to push and engage, and nothing is happening. Because I'm inside the screw head.
Can you feel? Now you're reversing it. Do you want to use your
I'm going to try, I need a torque wrench. Zara, this side out.
Out.
Okay, so I don't usually do this on camera. Anybody wants to? There you go. Okay, guys.
Is it listening?
I have no idea, Laura. I'm just gonna... I don't want to find out. I don't want to take it out until... Something is happening. Something is happening. Woohoo! So it worked. Zara, cotton pliers, please, so I can remove the abutment, and then healing cap. And Laura said, "Thank you, Jesus." Did you guys hear her say that? Zara, can you open healing cap for me so we can place it on RPNA before you scan? So we're going to use CEREC technologies to restore this implant. We're going to use a tie base, and we'll scan RPNA today. She's asking to have her tooth by tomorrow morning because she's starting a new job. She says, "Please do not leave me toothless." That's what she said. This is just a healing cap, but we're about to scan her for her permanent restoration. Woohoo! It worked, guys. So,
thank you.
all right. So, guys, here is the screw which you had seen magnified already that I have relieved from the MIS implant, internal hex implant. It was really, really stripped. It was very, very hard for me to grab it on. I tried the screwdriver, the regular screwdriver that comes with the inside the implant kit. I have put a Teflon tape. I have tried everything. I was really short of cutting the abutment and picking up my pliers or what have you to relieve the screw in a different way. So this tool really, really works. Yay. A happy day for me, a happy day for RPNA, a happy day in our office. She's going to have her tooth by the end of the day.